Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a card shares, I guess. So I'm going to share two cards using this Mama Elephant Mermaid Kisses and dies. This was on clearance on the Mama Elephant website store a little while ago, and the clearance price for both of these, I believe it was like, I don't know, less than $15 for the dies and the stamps. Maybe it was really cheap. So I did pick this up at a song. So I made these two cards. So this one I used some ink blending and then with Distress Oxides and then just some white. I sprayed some white, or not white. I sprayed some water on it. The border here is from Sunny Studio. So I just stamped that and colored that in with Copics. I went ahead and I inked and then sprayed some water on it. And then I had my stamped images that I went ahead and cut out and placed on my card. This one I used some gilding polish. I used it in a blue color, like a sky color, just all over the card. And just place this part, this island right here also comes from that same Sunny Studio Borders set. I think along with this palm tree. And so the rest of these are all from that mermaid stamp set. So there's that one. And then this one, I actually used a new to me stamp set that I got not that long ago. It's called Mermaids Galore from the Greeting Farm. It's one of their giant ones. Usually these come in red rubber, so I was really excited to see it come in clear. It's just much easier to handle in clear, like to store and stuff, because I could just store it like this. The red rubber, once you start cutting things out and everything, it's a hot mess to store. So I did like that. This is the one that I made from there. I used my Distress Oxides for a little bit of ink blending. I had the same border here that I went ahead and colored in. And then I have these little fishies and then one of the little mermaids. And so with this one, you can't really see it, but it's very, very shimmery. So instead of spraying it with water, I sprayed it with the Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in Sparkle. And so it's very shimmery, and actually like how that came out. And then the last card that I'm going to share with you guys, I used this one, which is the Mini Remix Friends from Greeting Farm, along with the Lawn Fawn die that they have that makes the kind of the tree border. So here's my card, colored in with Copics, and using this dot paper from Bo Bunny. So those are all the projects I have to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.